guys, go ahead and get you some of the Main Choice Hair Growth Oil. It reduces shedding and breakage during your protective styles. It's full of vitamins that nourish and promote rapid hair growth. It grows back, thickens, and maintains your edges. You can use it straight out of the bottle with a leave-in or deep conditioner, or heat it up a little and use it as a hot oil treatment, which is my favorite way to use it. This product will be pinned in the comments as well as linked down in the description box. I will even leave a link for their whole hairline because all of it is hair gold. Go ahead, click that link below and check it out.